Hey everybody, I finally got the Chevelle station wagon complete. Do a nice once over to show you guys everything. There's a couple little things that I'm probably going to add on later on, but won't be nothing big. So one thing is the side mirror. It only comes with one mirror in this kit, you know, 'cause it's the fancy California wheels. So, but turned out really nice. Tried taking my time on this one. Usually I get them done pretty quick. The weather getting nice, that's kind of slowing them down. Take a look at the engine bay. Just your standard Chevy engine bay. Get the spark plug, spark wires that are. There's the coil. Wouldn't it be cool to be able to work on a real car like that? Try not to knock anything off, so I'm being extra careful. So here's the underneath view. I do plan on redoing this hood. I forgot to make this piece black here, and I think I'm going to make this black as long as with those, so that raised up version will be black. But to do that, I think I'm going to have to strip the paint off of that, because there's some imperfections that I don't like in that, as trying to get rid of it. I end up burning through, but right now the paint is pretty thick on that, so I might just strip it. That's the side mirror. I don't want to put that on to the very end. And now the exciting part is I get to pick the next model to start. So let's see the seat belts I made inside. Nice dash. I think it would have looked good with the back windows tinted, you know, all the way around the back, but then you would not be able to see any detail from inside, except for the front part. That was a very stable car. Went together very well. I was very happy with this kit. So, alright, I'll be coming out with another video shortly on what's the next build. I think I might be trying to join one of the group builds that are going on, or we'll see. Alright guys, have a good one.